Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford Freestar and I will show you the fuse locations for the radio. So in case your radio is not powering up or there is no sound coming from the speakers, I will show you each fuse you would have to check, and hopefully that will help you to fix your problem. This video applies to second generation of Ford Freestar, which was made from 2004 all the way up to 2007. These vans have two fuse boxes. One is located under the steering wheel and the other one is under the front hood. And to check all the fuses responsible for the radio and the speakers, you would have to locate both of the fuse boxes and check a couple of fuses in each of them. Okay, one of the fuse boxes is located under the front hood, just under this cover right here. To remove the cover, you have two clips. One is here on this side and the other one is right here on the other side. To open it, just push with your finger onto this clip and pull it up, and do the same on the other side as well. And the cover will just be loose, and then you can lift it up. On the back side of the cover you have a nice fuse diagram, which you can also use to find the fuse you are looking for. Now for the radio and the speakers, you want to check the fuse number 59, and that's a 20 amp fuse, and it's the one right here. So this is the one you have to check, and the other one is fuse number 10. It's a 30 amp fuse, and that's the one right here. The second fuse box is located under the steering wheel. Okay, I'll try to record it and zoom out a bit. Just under this black cover right here. So to open the cover, just push onto this clip as well. There's one clip on the other side, so you'll have to squeeze your hand inside. But that's it. So on the other side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. This white piece right here is a fuse puller, so you can use it to remove any fuse you want, or just use like a small pliers. And you want to check the fuse number 5, and the fuse number 5 is just this fuse right here, a 20 amp fuse. And the next one you want to check is fuse number 10. It's a 5 amp fuse, so this one right here. So third one from the top. Yeah, those are the four fuses you want to check for the radio in this van. If one of them is burnt, hopefully if you replace it, that will get the power back to your radio or the speakers. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.